Today we're diving into the incredible health benefits of one of my favorite fruits, oranges. They're not just a delicious and refreshing snack, but they're also packed with essential vitamins, minerals and antioxidants that can do wonders for your health. We're talking about boosting your immune system, improving digestion, supporting heart health and so much more. We'll break down each benefit, explaining the science behind it in an easy-to-understand way. So, if you're looking for simple yet effective ways to improve your well-being, grab yourself a juicy orange and let's get started. Let's talk about vitamin C. Oranges are famous for being packed with this powerful antioxidant, and for good reason. Vitamin C is like your immune system's best friend, helping to strengthen your body's natural defenses and fight off those pesky infections. Think of vitamin C as the captain of your immune system's team, rallying the troops and making sure they're ready to tackle any health challenges that come your way. So next time you feel a cold coming on, reach for an orange. Oranges are a fantastic source of fiber, a crucial nutrient that often gets overlooked. Fiber is like a superhero for your gut, helping to keep things moving smoothly and preventing constipation. But that's not all. Fiber also acts like a sponge, absorbing cholesterol and helping to regulate your blood sugar levels. That means a happy gut and a healthier you overall. We all know that taking care of our hearts is crucial, and oranges can play a delicious role in that. Oranges contain special compounds called flavonoids, like hesperidin, which have some impressive heart-healthy benefits. These flavonoids act like natural blood pressure regulators and can even help lower your cholesterol levels. That means a happier, healthier heart for you. Trying to manage your weight? Oranges can be your new best friend. They're naturally low in calories and high in fiber, which means they'll fill you up without weighing you down. That feeling of fullness helps prevent overeating and keeps those cravings in check. Plus, the natural sugars in oranges provide a healthy energy boost without the crash you get from processed snacks. Want that healthy, radiant glow? Look no further than oranges. Those powerful antioxidants we talked about earlier, like vitamin C, aren't just good for your insides, they work wonders for your skin too. Vitamin C helps boost collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and elastic, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Plus, the antioxidants fight off free radical damage, which can aid your skin. Kidney stones are no joke. They can be incredibly painful and disruptive to your life. The good news is that oranges can actually help prevent them. How? It's all thanks to citric acid. Citric acid, found naturally in oranges, helps to increase urine volume and raise the pH level of your urine, making it less likely for those pesky kidney stones to form. Taking care of your eyesight is essential, and you guessed it, oranges can lend a helping hand. Oranges are packed with vitamin A and carotenoids like beta-carotene, which are crucial for maintaining healthy vision. These nutrients act like internal sunglasses, protecting your eyes from harmful UV rays and reducing the risk of age-related eye issues like macular degeneration and cataracts. We all know that stress is a part of life, but did you know that even the simple act of peeling and smelling an orange can have mood-boosting effects? The refreshing aroma of citrus fruits has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety. Plus, the vitamin C in oranges plays a role in producing mood-regulating hormones like serotonin. So next time you're feeling stressed, grab an orange and take a moment for yourself. So there you have it, folks. 8 fantastic reasons to include oranges in your diet. From boosting your immunity to improving your mood, this citrus fruit is a powerhouse of health benefits. Remember, making small, healthy choices in your daily life can have a big impact on your overall well-being. And what's easier and more delicious than adding a juicy orange to your day? Stay healthy and keep enjoying those delicious oranges.